Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. Today I am doing the 10th video in my crystal series and it is Smoky Quartz. It's a fairly simple design, really just some black polish and some blooming gel, or you could use clear if you don't have blooming gel, and just some alcohol to smudge in the lines. But it's very easy. I won't talk too much in this video. I will just show you and let you follow along. Here I am just mixing some of my rubber base gel with just a touch of black polish to give it a sheer translucent look, and just some clear base and some black just for any extra bits that I might need. So then I'm going to put blooming gel on the nails, and then I'm going to add this over the top, as you can see, with some gold just for accent. I know Smoky Quartz does kind of have a bit of an amber look to it in some crystals, but I'm just adding this, as I said, because I've done in my other videos, just for the nail design effect, to make it look a little prettier. Let me know what you guys think or any suggestions. And here is the finished look, guys. I've sealed it in with a top coat. It's a really simple design to do. You just basically let the blooming gel do its work, and as I said, if you don't have any blooming gel, you can just use some alcohol acetone to kind of swirl the colors in there. Doesn't have to be the same on every nail. The patterns look different in crystals, so if you want to emulate crystals, excuse me, then just allow the blooming gel to do its work. So what did you think of this really simple design? Let me know if there's any other crystals that you would like me to do a nail set on, and I would love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and as usual, I'll see you next time.